Hello viewers, welcome to our Bondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shuhag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make sub-distribution board wiring circuit diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Power grid line pole energy meter SDP. Phase connection to energy meter. Phase connection outgoing from energy meter to SDB. Second phase connection to energy meter. Second phase connection outgoing from energy meter to distribution board. Third phase connection outgoing from grid line to connect energy meter. Third phase line outgoing from energy meter to sub distribution board. Neutral connection from pole to energy meter. Neutral connection outgoing from energy meter to sub distribution board. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.